Welcome to Tiny Tots with Miss Anam, early learning skills for curious young minds.
Hello everyone, I am Daud and I am 6 years old, and today I am gonna help my mom in some interactive activities just for you guys. As you know, today is 14th August, Pakistan's Independence Day. And we are gonna celebrate with some activities based off Independence Day of Pakistan. For the first activity, we are gonna make a backdrop. For our first activity, we need glue, thick thread, scissors, and I have a lot of hearts. I have white and green, both the same size. And I have some funky little circles like this. I'm gonna show you at once so you can take a better look. So let's begin. I have 4 pieces of thread and I am gonna make the backdrop right now. You can take as much pieces of thread as you want. I have tape and I am gonna put it on the thread. I can put the motifs on the thread perfectly. I have 4 hearts and I am gonna make a 3D motif. Let's begin. First, we need some glue. Be very careful with the glue. Don't get it everywhere. Then I am gonna put the white one in the center of the heart. I have put some glue in the center of the heart again, and now I'm gonna put the green one again. And now white again. And voila! A 3D motif! This is how it looks from the front side. This is a 3D motif and we are gonna put a circle here and another 3D motif here and a circle, and we are just gonna make a pattern and repeat.